And good afternoon. Today is July 31, 2026. Tanghaling tapat, init. Lakad tayo ngayon. Nabatan tayo ni boss. Umakinig ng major plan, warding sa isang developer partner namin. Ang location po namin is sa Parañaque. Dito sa Asiana. Makakapunta naman tayo sa mamahaling place dito sa Pilipinas. May service kasi yung isang kasama namin, hindi lang ako sasabay. Nakaban kasi yun. Hindi na ako nagsasakyan. Bicycle game. Lakad gaming. Nice overpass. Wala kang maghintay sa 7-Eleven sa Hugo Perez. Woo! Kapoy. Okay, malaki ito eh.
Wow! Pwede yan kay Austin siguro to.
Yan, dito kami dumaan ngayon sa Lancaster para mabilis ang biyahe. Naulan-ulan na. Dito kami sa Okada. Dadrop po na namin si boss tsaka si madam. May iba kasi yung event na pupuntahan nila. Okada. Yan, dito na kami sa location. Galio Events Hall. Dito po sa Asiana City sa Parañaque. Malapit lang din dito yung event na pinuntahan nila boss. Dinrap-off na namin yung mga babae kanina. May dito na iwan sa sasakyan. Ito na kami. Attendance muna. Tapos tayo mag-picture.
All of us, of course, talking about your incentives. So Marco, maraming salamat po. And this time around, ladies and gentlemen, for our opening remarks, we'd like to call on Attorney Tam to join us on stage.
Morning to you all. Hard work. It's always a good reminder to bring the joy. To always bring the joy. Whatever we do. So when we receive a phone call, and we things, or we do, when we do open houses,
Formal program, but don't leave just yet because the after party has just begun. We invite everyone to stay and enjoy all the way until 11 p.m. tonight. All of our activity groups enjoy the music and continue to celebrate this wonderful evening together. Kasi we all are celebrating and we are all really going to party hard tonight together. Tama ba? hosting for me. My name is Hannah for Gorgeous Philippines for Boulder 2012, and I'm a student trip home. And may the recognition that we celebrate tonight continue to inspire all of us for the years to come with greater success. We'll see you again next year. Keep lighting the way to success. And good evening, everyone. Have a great morning. Sales, bye. All right, big more celebrity. I love Sular. And I'll see you again next year. Good night.
Ayan, pauwi na kami. Tapos na yung event. Bye-bye!